What's going on, guys? It's Luke with WP Developments. Behind us is one of our customers' 48 swap full manual valve body Aisin trucks. So what we did to this truck is we got rid of the AS69, dropped that out there, kicked that to the curb because who wants one of those? And we put a 48 full manual valve body setup in it. As far as I know, this is the first one ever done, and it is complete. Backup camera works, speedometer works, cluster works, everything works. So it's got the whole 9 yards. And let's check it out. This truck has a lot of custom stuff done to put the 48 in the Aisin truck. Some of the things you're going to need is a 68T case. You're going to need a 48 swap kit that comes with a plethora of things to help do the swap. And there's a custom cross member down there that you're going to need to fabricate up, and custom drive shafts. So a lot of custom things to do. We've been developing a lot of this stuff, so hopefully in the near future we can create a product that's pretty much plug and play to swap an Aisin out of, well, your Aisin truck. I'm gonna show you guys around this truck a little bit. The backup camera works, the speedometer works, so it's super cool that everything on this truck is completely functional. So if you're interested in swapping your truck to a 48 and you want to get rid of your Aisin and you're worried about some of the creature comforts going away, that's not an issue at all. Everything is completely factory as if this 48 came in the truck originally. So I'm going to get some B-roll shots of this truck because not only is it cool that it has a 48 full manual valve body in it, it's a dually flatbed with 4 Giottos and street tires. Like, it's just a cool truck.
Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gas me, leave you breathless, breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running trying to catch up. I see you gas me, leave you breathless, breathless. You can't be me, and I'm not you. I've been taught to, and I'm not too. Feeling like bliss, I feel like I chew. Wake up, I stretch, then I eat my food. My food, that's you, you should know that. My boo from the bottom where the flow at. Came from studio apartments, no room in it. Now it's a house with a little welcome doormat. I wanna go on a ride, you wanna ride. Always be on my side, and that's for life. Compliment on my flaws, like that's alright. They all want what we have, and that's fine. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gas me, leave you breathless, breathless. Catch up.
So obviously this truck behind us and the transmission swap is super custom, but if you guys are interested in this, reach out to us and we'll probably be able to help you out. We are trying to develop kits for this, but there's just so many configurations that go into it, so it's a little bit hard to do that. But we could help you out through the whole process. So if you guys are interested in something like this, feel free to reach out, give us a call, or email us at sales@wp-developments.com.
Oh, my C's, catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you, I see you. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gas me, leave you breathless, breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gas me, leave you breathless, breathless. Catch up, see you in my river trying to catch up. Run and see you running, trying to catch up. I see you gas me, leave you breathless.